Hello, my name is Francisco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to configure the policy security of password. This tool allows us to create secure password to our system because we can determine its length, durability, encryption. We can also create a security policy for each domain that we have. Well, let's go. We must go start, then administrative tool and click local security policy. Now, in the list tree, we must open account policies and click password policy. Now we can see all options that we have to configure our password. This option permits us define the number of passwords that we can use before and all passwords can be reused. The minimum is 0 and the maximum is 24. With these two options, we can determine the minimum and the maximum period of durability of our password. After that period, the system forces to change the password. Well, this option is very simple. Define the minimum of characters that the password contains. For example, if I write the number 10, the minimum length of password is 10, but I can create a password with 15 characters. Now, if we allow this option, the password must contain numbers, uppercase, lowercase, and alphanumeric characters, and the system forces us to write a password with all these characters. And the last option determines if the system stores password using reversible encryption. The default is disabled. Well, that's all. See you on the next video. Bye.